Hi and welcome to GRASPx Robotics 101 series. We are going to learn about Mood Night Lamp, which shows these vibrant colors of light and you can program it to any color you want. So let's get into it. So the hardware we are going to need is Arduino UNO board, one breadboard, one RGB LED which looks like a transparent LED with it has 4 terminals, 3 for the pins and 1 for ground or 5 volt. Then 330 ohm resistor for all of the pins that are going to be the RGB pins, and few male-to-male jumper wires for the connection, and last the USB cable. Now let's make the connections. Take your breadboard and the RGB LED. Make sure the 4 of the terminals are going separately like this. Then I remember the second one was the longest terminal. I will connect this terminal to the 5 volt supply. And then for the rest of the 3 pins, take your 330 ohm resistor and plug the resistor across the center trench like this. Now do it for the rest. So now I have plugged the 3 pins with the resistor. So you can see that this is how the working is. It has 4 terminals, R, ground, G and B. So the pin number R, that is on the left side of the ground, it goes to pin number 9. It will help you to use the same color jumper wires. So I'll take the red one and put it across 9. Then I'll take the green one to the pin number 10, and the final one, I don't have a blue, so I'll use the yellow for the pin number 11. So you can see that this is how our diagram has been completed. So now go ahead and plug the USB cable. Now let's write our program. So we need to understand how light theory works. We have our 3 pins right here, right? Red, green and blue. We can have that light. But unlike how real world works, like how we mix the paints and all, this light is completely different to it. If we mix red and green, we will get yellow color like this. So for us to make this mood lamp to have various color, we need to use this light theory. And when we mix all of these 3 colors, we get white. So since our RGB LED is common cathode, I will write our code this way. Let's start. First thing we need to do is declare all of the pins, like the pin number red is 9, the pin number green is 10, and for the blue one it is going to be 11. Now for the setup, same thing we need to do. We need to declare that all of these pins will be used for output, right? So once the setup is declared, for the loop, instead of writing digital write, we will do analog write. Analog and write, W is capital. Then here we used to write high, but in analog the value goes from 0 to 255. So and this RGB LED is common cathode. So if we write 255 here, so it is going to be off, and if we write 0 here, it is going to be on. So first thing we need to do is let's add comments for our easy understanding. Red is on. What we need is this is going to be 0, right? If you have the common cathode one, just write 255 here and you'll be sorted. For the blue, we need to turn it off. And remember, if something is on, you need to mention that other things are off, otherwise it is going to mess up the logic. Okay, I'll write the green here. Okay, so let's just try how this works. So now I'll go ahead and verify this code. It's giving me no errors. Just go and upload this code. You can see here, should be seeing red. right? Great. So now this is trial and tested. Now I need to do also blue and green. So similarly, what I'll do is just try it. Okay, now for green I need to do this 0 and the red as 255. So the red and blue are off and the green is on. Oh sorry, I'll write green is on. Then go ahead and copy paste this for the blue one. But the issue here is going to be we have missed one crucial thing, that is delay. If we do not go delay, the speed of this will be so fast that our eyes won't be able to catch it. Okay. Delay is in microseconds, so remember this is 0.3 seconds. Just go ahead and copy paste this everywhere. And now let's upload this. So you should be able to see here red, then green, then blue, red, green, blue. But now we need more colors, right? We need to work with more colors. So we can use this wheel. If we mix this blue and green, we can get cyan. So let's just add all of these colors in this. So now I will go ahead and write the code for the cyan one. How the flow goes is like red, then we need yellow. Okay, so I will go for yellow is on. Yellow. How do we get yellow? Just paste this instead of writing it all over again. So from this light theory, what we understand is for us to get yellow, we need to mix the green and red. So we will add green and red in the half-half proportions. And we will do blue to 255. That is like 0. So what are the rest of the colors? We have already done red, green and blue. Now yellow is done. So we need to do cyan and magenta. I'll go here. I've already written. For the cyan, we need to mix green and blue. And the red goes to 0. Same for the magenta. We need to mix blue and red and the green goes to 0. That's it. We have added delay everywhere. Our code is ready. Now we just go ahead and check it. Yeah, there's no error. Now we'll upload this. So now you can go ahead and do a lot of permutation and combination with the help of color theory. So you can see here on the screen. Now, to have a better effect of this, I'll just put a cloth over it, that you can see the colors. Yeah, so we have written our mood lamp color code. That's it. Thank you.